In this video, we are going to see how to optimize the front end of the listing optimization. So let's get started. So friend, let's see, we have a product called retailarbitrage and we want to do the listing optimization. Let's say we are going to create the list for the first time, or we have a listing and we want to optimize the listing again. So how we will start? First, I would like to tell you that we have no idea about the product completely. So we have the good source, the best source that we can utilize to optimize our listing is our competitors. The same listings as ours on Amazon, you can visit them and have an idea how to optimize your own listing in a better way, because those listings are already optimized and getting sales, are ranked on the Amazon. So we have no difficulty to find out how our listing must look like when we upload the listing on Amazon. Okay, so let's say I talked about we want to optimize our listing named as retailarbitrage. Okay, it's a product. So how to start? Okay, first, and what I follow the steps to optimize the listing, I will tell you completely everything. So first step is you have to find out the competitors, the same listings as yours on Amazon. Okay, how I do? Let's say I have a document, this one, and I have found the top 10 competitors that are same as my listing, and I have put them in a separate Word document so that I can use them whenever I want. So the next step is you have to go to the bestseller. I would recommend you go to the bestseller of the niche of the category, so that you can have a good idea about your product. So I selected the one, this one, he's the bestseller on the same category, on the same niche. So what I will do now, the first step is I will completely go through to the listing and note down the important features, important points of the product. First of all, I will do that. I will study its title, I will study its bullets and see that how it is using those title bullets. And if you are a brand registered, you can see here this EBC, otherwise you can see he is using product description. It means maybe he's brand registered but he's not using the EBC now. Okay, so I will go through everything. I will see his title, how he is using, and note down everything. I will let you see how I will use this. Okay, I have made a listing. First of all, what I did, I go to the question answers. Okay, First, I tell you that you will have to study everything, title, bullet and description, to learn about the product. What is the product actually? Okay, so I did the same, and note down what the pattern, what are the methods he's using to optimize his listing, and how he is using the main keywords in the listing. Okay, so the next step is I will go to the question answer section. This one here is the customer question answer section, where the customers are asking question to the seller, that the problem, what are the problems they are facing about the product, and what are the things they want to know about the product before they buy the product. Okay, so here they are asking the questions. You can see there are almost 91 questions answered, and you have to, I will recommend you have to go through all the questions. Okay, and what I did the questions that I thought that these are related to the product, I note down, and also I note down the answers of the question. Okay, I will literally tell you what are the benefits and what are the uses of these question answers reading. Okay, the next step, what I did, I collected the 1-star reviews. I click on this, open a new tab. These 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star and 5-star, these are the 5 types of reviews you have to go through all of them, because 1, 2, 3 stars and almost 4 stars, 1, 2 and 3 stars give you the exact problems, exact issues the buyers are facing regarding your product. And what are the problems? Actually, we have to identify here the problems, the issues, the concerns, the benefits of the product that buyers are actually facing. Most of the sellers, what they do, they assume everything that buyer like these things about our product. They are assuming, but I prefer you that you should not assume anything. You should go through the bestseller or 2 to 3 listings and go through the reviews. Then you will actually come to know that what are the things, what are the issues that buyers are actually facing regarding your product. Okay, I will go to the 1-star reviews and go through everyone, and whichever I thought that is super related to our product, I note it down on the Excel sheet. You can see here, and the sheet is opened 1-star reviews. And similarly I did for 2-star, 3-star, 4-star and 5-star. And mostly the 5-star and 4-star reviews tells you about the benefits of the product, because these buyers are those ones who like your product and explaining the benefits of your product. So this is a great way. If you read the question answers, if you read the listings, 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star reviews, you will actually come to know that what are the things that buyers really like about the products, and what are the things that buyers don't like about the products, what are the issues, what are the concerns they are facing about the product. So in this way you can highlight those things in your product listing. So for this, our listing title, bullets, description plays an important, because when buyers, the main thing after he lands is your bullets, because title he has almost SERP, but when it lands on your listing, the thing is your bullets. Your bullets should be well optimized in such a way that it explains the benefit of a product rather than it explains only features. Okay, our bullets headings must be in such a way that these explains the benefits. Headings must be of benefit, and in the explanation of any bullet, the feature should explain how you can get this benefit. Okay, there is mentioned the benefit, how our products, this feature can give you this benefit. Okay, so benefits and features combination should be there rather than only features. Okay, because customer wants to see their benefits rather than our features. So the buyer wants to see their benefits, not only just our products features. Yes, they want to see our features, but main thing you must highlight the benefits of our product, so that another thing, you must explain the benefits through your products features in the bullets description. Hope you understand that. And another important thing I would like to tell you is only first 200 bytes of the bullets are indexed on Amazon. So if you keep these bullets concise to 200 bytes, and this size is almost very super size, and this will really help you in getting convert your customers, because the lengthy bullets does not make the buyer to buy your product. So we should make them concise and descriptive. Okay, another thing that yes, I have already told you that 200 bytes, first 200 bytes are indexed. So keep all of these bullets in the range of 1000 bytes. It means that every bullet size should be 200 bytes. Okay, 200 bytes and 200 characters, there's a difference. You have to keep them in 200 bytes. Okay, I hope everything is clear about the bullets. So next we go to the title. Here in the title, yes, we have to we should use, and according to Amazon's recommendations and guidelines about the title, we should use in the beginning the product's brand name, the product's main keyword. We should also highlight the benefits here too, and we should keep them keep the title concise and descriptive in such a way that explains everything when it shows on the SERP. Okay, in the results, when you type a keyword, it shows the results like let's say I type here, okay, when a customer type some keyword and click on the search, you can see there he is unable to see the whole part of the title, so he can only see this part of the title. So this part of the title should be very attracting in such a way that the buyer clicks on the listing. So we have to keep in mind that how much part of the title a buyer can see when he search for a keyword to buy a product. So this is the part a buyer can see on a listing. So we have to put everything that can make a buyer to click on our listing in this part of the title. Hope you understand that. Okay, likewise for mobile phone, for tablet and for desktop, title has different sizes. For mobile, almost it is 70 to 75 characters. So we should keep it and most of the buyers of Amazon use mobile to buy the products on Amazon. So we should keep our title in such a way it explains everything in shorter length. So it is recommended that you should use your title less than 100 characters or 100 to 120 characters, but 100 characters is most powerful title. So hope everything is clear about. And next we go to the product description. Yes, you can see here product description, but in other example you will see here is also product description, but here maybe you will see product EBC. Okay, first we see what is the difference between product EBC and product description. Both are the part of front-end part of the listing optimization. In the EBC, okay, so EBC is allowed only to the brand registered sellers. Okay, when you register your trademark in the country, then you register the brand on Amazon, then Amazon allows you this EBC content. You can see here it has an attracting way to describe your product. You can use images, you can use text here, and infographics, and how to use the products in image form. Okay, but in the description you can only use the text here, and yes, you can use some HTML tags to make it bold, to make lists and bullets, to use bullets in the description. So here he has also used some bullets. This is bold this is bold tag of HTML, and here you can also use, and the next line tag and the bullets tag of HTML in the description. But the EBC is more attracting because you can use here images in a descriptive way, and it explains almost everything of your product. Okay, so there is a difference. This is the difference between EBC and description. Description is allowed to every seller, but EBC is allowed only to brand sellers. Okay, so now the question is here, what to actually we are talking about the listing optimization, what to put here in the EBC or description. Yes, we have gathered a lot of data. You can see from question answers, 1 star, 2 star, up to 5-star reviews data, and we have also gone through to the listings and of the bestseller. So we have a great amount of knowledge about the product issues, about product concerns, about product problems, benefits. So we should concern the main things in the product EBC or description is product issues, product problems, product concerns, and we should tell our buyer that we have the solution, and we should tell our buyer that we have the solution of your problem. Let's say this is your problem and we have the solution of your problem, this one. Okay, so in this way, rather than we again tell you that we should not mostly focus on the features. No doubt we should also mention the features of the product, what are the product specifications, but the most our attention should be towards the customers' benefits, the customers' issues, the customers' problems, rather than just we do features. Okay, so it is recommended that I mostly use the issues, problems and concerns in the product EBC and description, and it makes your listing fully buyer intent, and in this way your listing would become totally buyer attracting listing. And because he could find the solution of his problems, he could find the benefits what he wants, he could find the benefits what he wants from your listing. So there are maximum chances that he will buy the product, he will convert, and in this way. So I hope and you can see that after using this information of all of this information and best sellers and 2 or 3 sellers information, I have where this file, yes, I have created this information, a title, bullets, description for a product. Okay, so similarly I have made a description. You can see here I have used the HTML tags here to make if you are not allowed, and here I have used the search terms. Okay, so in this way friends, you will be able to make a list properly, well optimized, and this is the only front end part of the listing optimization so far, and I have explained you everything almost, that how our bullets, description, EBC must be look like. So now there is another question rises, that how to stuff the keywords that the most relevant, the most search volume in the listing to be indexed on those keywords. So first of all you have to do the keyword research. You have to do the keyword research in such a way that I have you have to do the keyword research. You can find those keywords using different tools, Helium 10, viral launch, any of the tools. If you want any of the tools that you like the most, or you think that it gives you the results, or if you if you are using Helium 10 tool, you can find a coupon of 50% off in the below in the description, so that you can get off on the Helium 10 if you are Helium 10 users. Otherwise you can use any of the tool to do keyword research, and everyone has his own keyword research method or strategy. I will also make a video, complete video on keyword research, that how to effectively find out the long tail keywords, the short tail keywords that are super relative to your product. Okay, then the question is where to stuff the keywords. Actually I will recommend that you use your main keyword with high search volume and totally relevant to your product in the title, and in the bullets I would recommend that you should use only 1 keyword or 2 keyword. 1 is enough, because we have to need actually we are needed to focus on the benefits of the buyer in the bullets. Okay, I will let you know an important thing here, that if you have EBC permission, if you are allowed EBC, then you have also allowed description. So in description you can stuff your keywords, but it will not show on your Amazon. If you are doing, if it is showing here EBC, then description will not show here on your detail page, on your PDP. So you can stuff your keywords in the description, in the backend search terms. In the category listing report there are some columns we can put there, put our keywords, the rest of the keywords there. So please make this title, bullets and description in such a way that it attracts the customer and make him convert and make him buy your product. And the most important thing in the last I will tell you is images. Images have a complete another video, but here I will just give you a brief introduction of them. Yes, the main image should be of everyone know about that white background, and 80% of the image should be in the whole frame, and you should use infographics images and image from the whole angles, so that buyer can have a look how the products look like when from different angles. So infographics images, there must exist, and lifestyle images there must exist, and if you are brand registered, you can use the video. So these are the things that make our listing almost perfect to get 10 of 10 score. So friends, you've watched that. This is the video here. We talked about the products front end optimization, and the next video we'll talk about the backend, the complete backend, not the search terms only. Backend is not the search terms, but complete backend optimization that makes a listing almost complete when we make live our listing to the Amazon. Hope you liked the video. In the next videos we will cover the next parts of listing optimization, the very important, the crucial parts of the listing optimization. Thank you very much for watching. If you want any help, any consultation regarding your listings optimization of front end and back end, you can contact me on my Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. The links are in the description below, and I will surely help you. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.